हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। Our Heron formula is going on. Exercise 12.1. Now today we are going to solve as per the NCERT books question number 5. Let's see. What is given in question number 5? Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and parameter is 540. We have to find out its area. Simple question here, no problem. What is given? Sides given in the form of ratio as well as parameters given, and we have to find out its area. So let's sides of a triangle are, it is in ratio, then what we have to do? A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x and C is equal to 25x. Okay, what would be the side of triangle? A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17 and C is equal to 25x. Now given parameter, of triangle is equal to, what is given? 540 centimeter. Parameter means what? Simply sum of length of all the sides. Sum of length of all the sides. What is the length of the sides? It means what we can say? Parameter means 2s. Parameter means 2s. 2s is equal to sum of length of all the sides. Okay, sum of length of all the sides, it means what we can say is equal to, what is that? A plus B plus C. It means what we can say? We can say that 2s is equal to A plus B plus C. What is the value of 2s here? 540. So what we can say? 540 is equal to A means 12x plus B 17x plus C 25x. So 540 is equal to, now we have to plus 20 and 10, 30 and 10, 40 and 7, 47 and 2, 49 and 5, 49 and 5, 54, 54x. Okay, or we can say x is equal to 540. So x is equal to 540 upon 54. Right? Simply 54 1 ja 54 and 54 10 ja 510. Means what is the value of x? Value of x is 10. Value of x is 10. Okay, and here just 2s, its value is 540. We know 2s is equal to, what is given parameter? 540. 540. Therefore s is equal to 540 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 40, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 40. Means what we got the value of semi parameter? 270. Okay, now see here, we got the value of x, right? So what would be the value of sides now? A is equal to 12x is equal to 12 into 10. It means 120. Same manners, B is equal to 17x is equal to 17 into 10 is equal to 170. Same C is equal to 25x is equal to 25 into 10 is equal to 250. Okay, now we got the A, B and C. This we got already, as well as what is our value of S? That also we got. S is equal to 270. Now we can find out its area. Yes, simply we can find out. Now we will use the Heron's formula. What you would write? By Heron's formula. Okay. By Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? Area is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay? S minus B, S minus C, S minus C. Then what will happen? We have to keep all the values. What to put at the place of S? 270. S minus A, in that case 270 minus 120. Same S minus B. What is the value of S? 270. And what is the value of B? Value of B here 170. Similarly, S minus C. S 270. And what is the value of C here? Value of C is 250. 250. Okay? Clear? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now see here. (270 minus 120). 120 and 80, it means 270. 80 plus 70. 80 plus 70, 150. What to write here? 150. Into 270 minus 170. It means 100. Into 270, 250. Then what will remain? 20. What will remain? 20. Okay? Clear? Now what we have to do? See here. These all are in the square root. So we will find out its factor and then we will solve it. Okay? So means here you understand something I am erasing and then we will go ahead. See here. I am erasing this to solve because downside it would be difficult for you. Look there. Now 270. 270. Okay. As well as 150. Okay. After it 100. Right? Other all simple, no problem. 270, 150 and 100. 270 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. After it 2 3 ja 6. 2 5 ja 10. Again we can divide by 2. No. Now 3. 3 4 ja 12. Remaining 1. 3 5 ja 15. Now again 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 5 ja again 3. 3 5 ja and then after 5 1 ja. Same manner this also by 2. 2 7 ja 14. 2 5 ja 10. Now 2 not possible, then 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. Now 5 5 ja 5 1 ja. Okay. Now this 2, then 50, again 2, then 25. 3 not possible, then 5, then 5, then 5, then 1. Right? So what we can write for this? See here. 270 we can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay? Same manners. 150 what we can write? 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Right? After it 100 what we can write for 100? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. And what remain? Last 20. Nothing is there. What's try? 2 10 ja 20. Then 2 5 ja and then 5 1 ja. So in that case for 20 what you can write? 2 into 2 into 5. Okay guys. So this value we have to keep there. Understand? Very simple. First for 270 how what you have to write? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now for 150 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now for 100, 2 into 2 into 5. And now for 20, 2 into 2 into 5. Okay? This all you write in under. Clear? Now see here. How many times 2, how many times 3, how many times 5? According to this, we will out it from under root. How we can remove? Let's see here. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many times inside? Square root, that's 2, 6 times. So outside how many times? 3 times. So what we can write here? 2 into 2 into 2. Now see 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Once again 1, 2, 3, 4. No 3? Okay. 4 times. Then how many times you have to write out of square root? 2 times. 3 into 3. Now see that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many times? 6 times. Then how many times we will write out of square root? 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. Okay? Clear this thing? Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Okay? Now if you don't know table, then 24 3 ja 72. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. Now 72 5 ja 5 2 ja 10, 0 1, 5 7 ja 35 and 1 36. This 5. Now again 5. 3 16 to 5. 5 0 0. 5 6 ja 30, 0 3. 5 3 ja 15. 16 17 18. What to write here? 18. Now again 5. Again 5. 5 0 5 0. 5 8 ja 40, 0 4 here, 5 and 5 and 4, 9. So see what we got? 9,000. What we got here? 9,000 square centimeter. 9,000 square centimeter. See there one time that full numericals carefully. Each and every parts. Watch very properly. I don't think so any problem is here. So this is the answer of our question number 5. Means I tried for each and every steps very systematically. All the steps easily you can understood. Okay. So clear this thing, and not to worry about that ki from board you have to copy all the things. Don't worry. I will send you that proper PDF of every numericals. So not the worry about the solution. With the help of this particular video, you should try to understand the concept only. Is that clear? No, miss, don't try what is written in board. Sir, we can't see or we can't write and you are erasing before it. So this is not possible because this particular videos for explanations, for clearance of concept only. It is not for the notes. For notes purpose, I will send you separately PDF. Now we are going to start. The last questions are 12.1. What is the last question? Just we will start. Okay, this you understand. Now question number 6. Now we will process question number 6. Okay, let's see here. This you understand now already, each and everyone, how we got the 9,000. Okay. See here, question number 6. In this particular question, what parameter of an isosceles triangle has 30 centimeter. Each of equal side is 12 centimeter, and we have to find out area of triangle. Look there, what is given? First of all, what is given here? perimeter, parameter of an isosceles triangle is equal to पैरामीटर ऑफ एन आइसोसेल्स इज 30 सेंटीमीटर ईच ऑफ इक्वल साइड. ये दिया हुआ कितना आपको 30 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ ईच ऑफ इक्वल साइड इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. So we can say that sides of isosceles triangle is equal to A is equal to what is 12 centimeter. Okay, same manner isosceles means two sides are equal, so B also 12 centimeter and C suppose x centimeter. C we have to find. So suppose C is x centimeter. Okay. Now what is given? Parameter of isosceles triangle is 30 centimeter. So what we can say? Parameter it means A plus B plus C is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. A plus B plus C means 12 plus 12 plus x is equal to 30, right? 12 and 12, 24, 24 plus x, 24 plus x is equal to 30, right? अब 24 plus x is equal to 30, in that case x is equal to 30 minus 24 is equal to 6 centimeter. देखिए, if you want to find out its area, then what is required? Third side is required. Suppose the third side is x. Now we want the value of x. Just what is given as per that particular concept, we got the value of x. What is the value of x? X is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we got the value of x. Okay, A, B, C we have a x, it means C, right? Now we want S. What we want? S. S means semi-parameter. Okay. We know what we know. 2S is equal to what is 2S? 30 centimeter. So semi-parameter S is equal to 30 by 2. 2 1 are 2 and this will divide, then 15. What we got here? 15 centimeter. Now we have ABC as well as now by Heron's formula. Okay. Now by Heron's formula, what we can do? Area is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. Now see here, what is the value of S? 15 minus A means 15 minus A's value is 12. 15 minus 12, S minus B, this also 12. 15 minus 12 and S minus C, C value we got 6, right or not? Here we got already 6 centimeter is equal to C. Means what is the value of C? It is 6. So 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. See now what will happen? We got here 15 into 15 minus 12, then 3 into 15 minus 12, then 3 into 15 minus 6, then we got 9. Up now see here 15. What we can write? 3 into 5. 3 into 5. We can write 15 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 and 9 what we can write? 3 into 3. Okay. Now all three we have to write together. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 and last is 5. Of these two, then 1 3 will come outside. Yes. Again this 2, then 1 3 will come outside. Now what is remain inside? Inside square root this 3 and this 5. 3 into 5. Okay. अब 3 3 जा 9 and 3 5 ja 15. So let's see what we got here. Area 9 under root 15. 9 under root 15 square centimeter. Here you are asking find the area of triangle. So area of isosceles triangle is equal to 9 under root 15 square centimeter. This would be our answer. See, I don't think so any type of problem is here. Each and everything is very clear. All guys, any type of problem? I don't think so any problem is there. Okay, so just we solve these two numericals 5 and 6. Now we will start 12.2. So 12.2 we are going to start in the next upcoming video. Till then, bye.